So what's the UK abrochi memuha? Na when your car akwenshie bi enyo fo. Anase adokita fo ahwe wa wan hwe Right claim betumi aboa wa ma wagisi kan pimpin bebre. Ya wo UK a lawyer fo etitru anase ekuku damfo a betumi aboa wo afonko ama. Kosi se we sika no beba. Eno ani se wo be ko www.rightclaims.co.uk. Na wa fill wo form. Wo betumi afre yen wo number ya ewu figure ase. Say a cancel of flight. Anase when your flight delay for over shrimmiensa. May trek 3 hours. Enko bebia. Right claims betumi aboa ma ahanso wagisika. Right claims. It's as simple as that.
Green Select Glucometer from Costless Ventures. Safidi kitwaya etimimpo esho botomi eboa ma uhunu sugar level abribia. Wana ho diabetes anayarea hodwa emma sugar level. Esote wo brano no. Safidi epepo nkaye baby bia wo bia no wada won so akohu doctor ntem. Na wo dry betimi ma blood sugar no aye pepepe. With Green Select blood glucose monitoring system, you get your test results in 5 seconds. And you 5 seconds per now results are ready. And it's suitable for persons of all age. Na ne boa so de at the form of Call Costless Ventures now on 0205-915-315. Green Select Glucometer, the best. This advert has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
People are ya debi na asa man for a channel kakra. Video bi o e be share video na te na be din komo no. Now my understanding on the video, and I'm my background kakra me want to say, okay, people are sorry I know the okochiche ni polo honey, okoton no wa piska akra. Okwa no hu say akwara ketewa bi be betime be 6 7 8 sa lie ho baby. Akwara ketewa betime be 5 6 7 8 ho baby. Oda street ne wadampo akra de no wada. Ena polo frefre na opesi kama no video ye ena de betu za video se biya o video de betu social media ena manfo ese na wa hu sa kwara keto ada ho na o cheniska o video na nka de sese o yempo ni se o be fa no edi na free ho na bia se o ko pe ba bi di na to si de ben o na me wa friend no man say 60 Ghana or 100 Ghana and no video na that to social evidence yenye dey amanfo aye na okay polo so asem na ha no into about church mu kakra yentie ni church mu na e ma me bonkomo we common sense e ba be bisa how could she have dealt with the issue say ono na ba bia akwara da ho mama niska video na haje hope na ye sen komoni na but today ye share the video na enti ensema akuapin polo sexy polo e kan ye meto an komoni so
a child is lying by the roadside. Oh my God. See, he is not dead. People are passing by him. People are passing by the child. Boss, Mbatonya ni mama why? Call him for me. Come. Take. Okay. Don't sleep there again, okay? Go and eat, okay? What are you guys trying to tell me? To those who are talking their mind that I should have picked the boy to my house. You want me dead, right? In Ghana here, I should pick someone's son from the street to my house. So that tomorrow by this time they will say that I want to traffic the child. Or I want to take the child to do juju. Master, I did what I was supposed to do. You too, do the same when you see them on the street. That's why I posted it. Yeah. What are you guys trying to tell me? To those who are talking their mind that I should have picked the boy to my house. You want me dead, right? In Ghana here, I should pick someone's son from the street to my house. So that tomorrow by this time they will say that I want to traffic the child. Or I want to take the child to do juju. Master, I did what I was supposed to do. You too, do the same when you see them on the street. That's why I posted it.
Okay, enti yentwa enkomone so video na I'll share it means a lot. Videos too na I'll share. The first one here ebra na akuapem wasori a okono so kopani bibia di ohun se akwara ne da ho and I'll say obi etwam o say oh na ade na mu na mu twam ebra akwara da kwa ho and our friend no man bibi kakra na man bibi kakra no the better social media na nim social media for say ayi de bia say ya hwehwani mu kwa na akam obefa crowd na akapa ba bi papa to no man is can watch video na better social media. Now let me even add say eno baron is here comment bi eno baron a comment or here and say sade we mu kwara some da na mo musika rather you encourage them.
Yes.
How sit sen quality what na mo musika you encourage them. Banka en try na bia child rights for come me fa mo ne sa na ne be ma etu atwa oba no wuska no nya 100 Ghana nim say and I'm better akwa bi ma me 100 Ghana na ma me konteme e bi Ghana na dey adobo a 200 Ghana. But Akuapem's actions and the bash on social media no you bet ma correlating it Zola oh start with
Rasami Igabibolo did a very good job. But we are me finding uncomfortable is the video bit because we have say oh yeah papa watch your phone or your video say if or your video with the state and akola that was say wine ban we be jana to say and I will abandon akola ni BBC na waka we video mpo e dey attra am say okay obi bad that say because you new area na akola na jana video mpo mo hwe so the best she could have done aside video no video no or change scan video no yen nyame fault bia fault e o say scan how dey share na o sign dey go post it who post here say yen hwe akola na ebusuafo ana say who post say yen dey you understand and then we decided to come about traffic you know the best you could have done was if you offer akola na after woman is carry people if you not nearest police station not the akola na call and no the child rights people if you huni parent child rights people will come in a number no way. But on the side what post what recording like we just video all ma akola ni sika owie no asenja akola no kwan no e bianza wo kan the next time we say that kwan we if we at the same place we akola different place sure some akola we be business is scam sometimes obi wa na so odin bia wa ye we feel no ye be buru no we dwane because there was a time I'm in big man mina e wo kanda not the big man ni wa fast
ana Japan
no oni say ni wa fa ni kita kan traffic ni so ya na akola ni banche not na akola ni hwe no fi be to this wa dibo no be some bo
hey
oh it sometimes akola ni be say no funny say the economy is not favorable but sometimes be say no if akola ni parents enye oni ni maami and as on new opinion bi na exercise kana the best she could have done was if the nearest police station. So maybe police wanna handle over to the child right people no say ebia oyejanka ebia oni baby da ebia BBC that could have been the best way aside so man is kind of fine but me man is kind of inside Janin sikwan because what did me we go there grass ask 100 cedis so say na the man is sound baby. So video no here no our man is can if video no was to ebia report this kind of cases because I think that this child abuse thing I think that Ghana for are trying to fight even every country is trying to fight this kind of child abuse ebia man before being put small back someone control pure water you understand so if ka video no here is to
sensitize people
you understand
say sad way and
yes very very good. There be medical say na na can say there was that medical obi be straight that can say I am jaja scan no mo pay ma yes you understand all the no nya issue because enu no bonu or catch youth ni say chale mu nya ejuma mu pay ejuma nya because yes so with polo ni video no here then I make am aside no here na video na me find it uncomfortable
okay got Roland Amateo
Boss, this video there, and you know, I feel coming. So which time maybe a people now you understand why she did the video. In a sense, as I mean, nipe trimu yes, ni betting your boyfriend ya pay one. Sometimes ubeti me papa bi one ubenu. So people are saying that she could have taken the child home. Akwala that kind of one, you don't know why he's lying there. The condition he's in. Ebi mpo a sebi otab ne to ka mu a odi ne kofia we nrufie na akwala ne to. Efunsu dey want testify say nye polo na ye me. Of course, we find the problem mama ne. You understand? And again, since I know video no, this oshe commentary I know my way chila. Akwala ne da ho, and a man for chip. Let's not be pretenders. Ye de bia. Especially Sam Kole or more kind. Ye de bia. But you see, I am not given an inward thing, instincts. Ubetimi huobi, obesrewa ye, omano.
Yeah.
Ubetimi do baby, obi fufro, ebia omana no simple.
Now they are man. And they ampa. Obi our science think maybe. Obi a crown self about huna. Something just tells you give him or give her.
So ni play you here bibi. Now they are man. So what Polo did there was something that I can akuma. Ye bisa say na nti ye pese en kase ne trip ni nyina na Polo en nam kwa mu nyina. Akwala we pe no hu ye say na mo kire no kwan ni. No. Ohun kwala bebre. But we ne kan akuma. So in some aspects, we can also pick some moral lesson from themselves. Say, if you who be na come say buana. Who be say when Polo and Trasadi we are, who would have known say Polo who be at Chiniska? Nobody would have known. And again, Sankawade Makwalano. If you Polo Maniska, when video. Na say all this kind of shakwala sana. Na if you Polo in the not out of business or this kind of charge here. People around seen us at that time. What do you think they will say? Or they not just schedule and now wakwe sikani su bibi ade ma akwala na we charge.
Na collapse.
Yes, people talk. And some of these days it is very difficult for you to explain. So coming from Polo side ne dey meeting say, but when we say I told you be enye nyama ni na video, which is why some people even have problem with Kokumen videos no yeah. What I say, ayana sometimes we should wait. But so let's sometimes put ourselves in the people's shoe and feel say I didn't know yes I'd say yeah mia. What would be the reason why I would give somebody something or do a good deed to somebody and video or try to take a record of it? What I say, because there are so many ways she could have dealt with this on a quiet. But even the video not here anymore would even go a long way to motivate somebody else somewhere. Say, oh, ebi Apollo kra hu Apollo your Chinese cow. Ochina menso metimi ayebi. Polo hu we wa mano. Menso let me help this person. Together then we help ourselves. Yes, because here in our society, them say Apollo we ni no be here kromfo a. Mo ere ni ma na mo beble. Yes, but so we say, oh, the society cares. And we know say child right ayeke. But say we any one ti krom ase.
Yeah.
Omonam airport de bia. O pesa say headquarters here airport ho ne. Airport jaje omu guocho. Ye bisa say there no mo ya fa ho. Do you expect people you see and people like Polo who have the influence, who have the numbers, are people who can throw light on these things. This goes also another way to tell us the institutions that we are relying on are not working. Because say yeah, Juma Papa,
they are toothless bulldogs.
Yes, you don't expect people to hold people in Kolansa to bring to your office before you know say they are street case. Okay, you should be able to know. We know say you cannot do it all, but rather me does will chrome hasi, especially in Accra.
I see. Roland Amate on Akiapin Polo and little boy on the street. Reagan will continue.
I think say Ghana for a bit more say Sebu or bar on the tea. Why not say on no bemo?
Now one year born your bed and walk.
They say we are only 1 year born.
David.
Oh.
Ejampa.
I'm making a point. Let me make my point. Say yet here show you on you. When you say bien fan say Zola Bebaso first segment. Zola can say Bebaso first segment. And also be pon 9. By 9 no call. Zola bedu anu manala pi bi asesa plan. Charlie Zola the beg. Sitting give me because the person is for sitting second you know come. Sa 9 PM na to ni team no. Enti say obe find it out say oh then na Zola ebi am friend and I'm texting no cry after 9 PM. Set won't me nyeshi. Obe make sure say obe assuming nyam opeso assume o wiase ni na de e wo ho de dada na obo suspect na on find a new
obe kani na bo I can defeat your argument by saying say and also who say after 9 no and one living message in advance.
That's not even I'm just saying something. Say Atoa, you understand what I'm saying? I'm sure say member am show you. And I say even some
no ebi atum but me patch say ebi atum na be a problem. I'll partly also blame myself say yes. Time I make us and I remember fear 12 now. About 12 months in man. What did I do on my part?
You didn't.
That's I mean. The ama one timi anya the was when sometimes the situation bit me see a untimi nya wo hwe. The obaya ne say was a kofi na kofi si.
Well,
and sometimes situation bit me
I mean, what negligence?
And you didn't negligence,
no, and yet it was intentional. Like you said, okay, situation, you know.
Yes.
You were overwhelmed. You couldn't correct it.
But now I go far you there. The American say, Kasano, Brasami, a yard doors. Especially in some of these situations. Share, I did your people Brasami. Sanka, the same equipping polo no, or be posty a colonical picture say, oh. Me hu akwala we wo kwan ma fa na kofi akoma na eduane edi na me hwehwe ne maame a I am telling you say Ghana high yet the benya nkrofo bebre they will also come and descend on her and say and then wa fa obi ba wo kwan ho wa fa na nko police station akoma na eduane de eduane kra sakro di bibi egum o ba boy kra out mi roro ho ejina eyiri mi ni chapecha o ti me hwe obi ba and then on be kan sem bebre I'm back and say, yeah, me na me share video no, na me bomb by say, mom fa kwala me ntra me come. Because there are certain communities and I say hoods ewo, your neighborhood ewo Accra and I say in Krasi baby. Yeah, rapper me. Brasa ofa akwala Accra ewo kwan e de ne ben wo car and I say tena wo kemu. Now boys, yes, I'm back so we are na ko esakawa. Don't make kwa benya ya say mistake now. They will kill you. Ombe attack you. Omuntie upo. So we show be ba okwan keke. No am na fura o kam. Ombe ka so de ne o malam se pa nkwala bra na wa ba be fa nkwala na de ne ko. They will not listen to you so me hu akwala na no ye mo na pese me cheni ska. E bia na wo akoma mu no pese o ye akwala na papa. O ye na do ye. Enti de o ye no. Me hu from so bia. See, some of these people let's admit, it's our high time say be tia say this is omo life or omo living. Equipping polo is a camera person. They say I can't so die no be camera any ashe. Or ye camera person, the all ye beer is on camera. Yen tina sisa. Ni ene tina say so hu nipa say the otia. Now na tina sa. Nti yen tina sisa. Sabe so nko ya aboa or ye wild animal. And I put me be nipa mu ni yeti ka say o say the Yetimide, I'm out for a play. We have a cotton jata.
Yeah,
but the pay, Memphis, the Cotton Tiger, what was that? Won't how I any abuanetana. It's not the abuana a benefit. Son, I was saying, Cofo Massey. So, who are any better so old, Captain Polludio, no dear, a banner camera, no, or ye, and a crowd, be chat, or to a kia, or be chat, or yes, say, or be chat. Let's understand her like that. ne ye ne international ne enjoy say okoye bibi pe no na we twa camera o twa the camera did that o twa the videos did that e ka ru bolo me ya say the car wa plenty cameras wo oye ne nyama did that obi so yes I did that na wo kokko du baby so na person oye obi ado oye ne obi twa what I say na so be sun yese mama we jai no hororo tu nya it's razame kan de me hu problem bia e wo sanka ekoye obi anye kapim problem nim say oh this person dey off social media on your social media person on the oye na nyemo kokom na nka we nkwa po no wakoye na nkofo ba hye na ibia ka you don't have a communication as a customer conversation but this lady is one person then no ye pa okoton na ade kra na ohia client na kra obetwa video
so why ready say on you ready
so, exactly obetwa video or jinisi kewi obetwa video so that is the life she is living akola ya ohia ni obi aye dede na then kuna bro brasa baby ana akola na da nkrofo bebre to say how you busy kakra nkrofo bebre twem enti se susu ampa se nyame mfa sa mo enti akola no se na oyobi a wowu a enti won the number of people are omo twem ko tam ben and the bones akwala no po ebia bibia ya na se bia sa attack people na aba no so na mo ayesa hwenkofo mo twa no hoko obi apam pre no se eh baby adan ko bia car bi kwa betina balance afa aba be fanti kona koda hapo odi anka omo nyan no po no ko de eche because utimi se na ben road but obi etwem but the same akwala da hono na car bi ko chifa do se sia mo Ghana for
na polo fa ho na wan kanchila kole na wan
eti kasa na doso o peso ya doye e na waka o video no mu se ade na oye no o twa ye se onso hwe na odu baby na obi kasa ati bi ni mu a onso ye bi ade nti ne ye ma conversation engine ho no mu na yeso ye ntu ya ho se chale hwenkofo bebre amotwom yi ba ku mienu miensa asa le kapimbe ede ni windscreen e ba form aga se mpacho nya ne mame akwa na pa njo se nya ne na ngwa ko twem asa no nya ne akwa me baby ade ba ko ye ya anya me de kakra ye the odis kana ma akwa na we mbusa me hwe
thank you
what I say e osa e bia be busa akwa no
o ma me we
he
but the higher than
the impression I get from that
the higher than
akwa no so gis kan won wan ko baby na oda no she balance which goes another way one say san confirm no say scan ma minute me
Somalia for
yeah actually baby
na me ba o ka say brasa me e say Somalia for ni for
Ghana for na kasa na
for almost said that my phone papa phone to baby
she basa no
we say me share out me say o say just say your sample for
yes
o say na wa bre e komo den
we jina wa bre
komo den ti o da ho kakra
na akra this can or the chairs one
a business on the business who say ordani ne ho
rich man ma resa
polo friend won ordani ne nim che polo say na scan baby this scan share or the sheni kenimu straight
okay ma yen share sai hodo na me akra no so experience that
experience share who was street this one also yani ama what just say no this is just
the first time you must
shakolani almost said bibia shakolani ni mi she yo
she
what's that no
enti ejuma oye
she na dem crook movement ben oye crook movement no I Etihad.
Yeah. Etihad.
Yeah. Street this there.
I see maybe I see.
Yeah. Street this there she bra.
Street this why she why.
Strategy.
I ask more.
Because I don't go sales.
I'm uncle for
so it's very pocketing here, but you are na.
I've been pulling me them home from Serbia.
Okay.
They didn't have Ghana for Bonichi,
Omunjai.
Why, they are no, I was all yen, why, so I was saying, maybe put them in a conversation about this. Hey, it is a social welfare for them when I want children's development. What saying? It is a quite just Somalia, Nina, or a Ghana, Nia. Nti oda kwan wi ni mama we hen den no mo so na mo to be no mo yet to
take him to the streets. Okay.
That's more nya na mo nipa na isa akoya do mo twa bo no dey say obi so tie che baby no so air drive no ko duro na akwara ne da onye
onipa ko man is ka mo ntwan say when trans obi hu.
No, but
I think break grandma.
We've seen another.
Okay, yes, that is what I was going to say. Even they
are adults.
Yes, they're Indians or turning their lives around. But this situation,
Nana situation, the people she encounters are adults. No, Nana. When it comes to journalism, do you know even when you are dealing with children, you are not supposed to even show their face?
Yes.
If Nana Banamwa deals with adults, she can do anything she wants to do with them. But this is a minor. This is a minor. Even if I could be cartoon in Punanka ultra a video and a photo the story and reality professionally. It doesn't come out and show in the video or in the photo.
After Oman is carrying Nanka Abia nearest police station and as it is an area kind of Ufio Otifa and as a washroom in oh see once I can't forget this carry oh if you can know Polo if you ever saw that